Hi, I'm Kristyn, owner of Bend Beyond. My yoga journey started in late 2007 when I took my first classic hot yoga, aka Bend 90 or Bikram yoga class. If you would have asked me then, I would have said I am absolutely not a yoga person, for whatever that means. At the time, I was suffering from severe and chronic knee pain from running, and a friend of a friend said she'd experienced a similar knee pain from running and healed it with this thing called Bikram yoga. I was training for the Boston Marathon at the time and was willing to try anything, even yoga, to be able to continue running. So I signed up for the intro at what was then Bikram Yoga Bozeman. And on a wintry December Sunday afternoon, I walked into a class that would forever change the course of my life. It was nothing like any yoga class I had ever taken. I was this kind of yoga person. The sweat, the intensity, the discipline, I loved it all. I finished the intro and immediately signed up for a 60-day challenge. Practicing 6 days a week while continuing to train for the Boston Marathon, I not only started to heal my knees, but I set a PR at Boston and, of course, got completely hooked on the yoga. Over the coming months and years, this amazing practice healed my body from dis-ease and imbalances that I didn't even realize were there. I sat down in kneeling position for the first time in over 10 years and healed several lower back injuries through my practice. The physical benefits were just the beginning though. My practice settled a very overactive mind, improved my self-confidence and body image, and made me a happier and kinder person. It changed my life by allowing the person I'd always been to shine through. Very early on, I knew that I wanted to go to teacher training someday so that I could guide others on this journey to feeling their best inside the hot room and out in life. In 2009, I graduated from my first yoga teacher training, and when I got back from TT, the Bend studio owner asked me in my dream world how often I'd like to teach. I told him I wanted to spend all day, every day, sharing this incredible practice. In 2013, I got my wish when I purchased the studio and changed the name to Bend Beyond. Over the years, I've completed several other yoga teacher trainings and have expanded our offerings at BB to include a whole system of therapeutic and effective yoga classes. A year into studio ownership and still logging lots of miles on the trails and the roads, I suffered my worst back injury yet, a bulged disc at L4, L5. Once again, with time and patience, the yoga practice healed my spine. Well, mostly. Although I was out of pain and could get through everyday life, I wasn't able to return to many of the activities I used to enjoy because if I wasn't super careful, I'd end up in pain. This continued until I found my second life-changing practice, Inferno hot Pilates. IHP increased my core strength and allowed me to move more freely through the world without fear of re-injury. It gave me the strength to make it through pregnancy with no back pain. And just like the yoga practice, it benefited my mind as well. I had missed the heart-pounding cardio high of running, and now I could get the same high with low-impact, sustainable exercises. In 2017, I went to the IHP teacher training, and it has been a major part of our studio's offerings ever since. The combination of classic hot yoga and Inferno hot Pilates is nothing short of magical. Over the years, I've had the privilege of witnessing hundreds of students transform their body, mind, and spirit in the hot room. Whether you have a knee injury, just recovering from a shoulder surgery, endure chronic low back pain, suffer depression or anxiety, or are stressed out and exhausted, both of these practices meet you where you are at and start you on a journey of self-healing and total wellness. It is my passion to support you on this journey to feeling amazing and living your absolute best life. Many people ask, why Bend Beyond? Bend Beyond is about transcending the false limitations we set for ourselves so that we can realize our maximum potential. It's about letting the best version of yourself take the driver's seat in your life. It's about transforming you into you. I can't wait to share these life-altering practices and our amazing and welcoming community with you. See you on your mat.